Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. Confirm WordPress is updated and take a full backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, pick an SEO plugin. Yoast or Rank Math are solid choices, and install it from Plugins Add New. Make sure you activate the plugin and grant yourself admin or editor access. This lets you complete setup and run site-wide scans. Finally, open the plugin's onboarding wizard immediately and follow the prompts to connect your site and basic settings. Now configure the essential options. Set a concise site title and a meta description template to ensure consistent search snippets. Adjust schema defaults to match your site type. Next, verify the XML sitemap is enabled and submit it to Search Console. Make sure your robots. TXT doesn't block important pages. Once those are set, confirm permalinks are SEO-friendly and enable social metadata so previews look right. Also connect the plugin to finish by auditing content. Run the plugin's site-wide analysis and prioritize fixes like duplicate titles, missing meta, and slow pages. Then go page by page, set focus keywords, optimize meta, and add structured data where needed. Once complete, flush caches and reindex the sitemap in Search Console. If something breaks, disable other plugins to check for conflicts, clear server and plugin caches, and review debug logs. Reverting to your backup is the last resort. That troubleshooting step usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.